In this video, we will discuss some of the ways of effective and efficient liquidity risk management practices for banks and NBFCs that can help address liquidity crisis and comply with the changing regulatory landscape. There are 5 key pillars of liquidity risk management. These include governance framework, liquidity measurement methodologies, funding diversification, pricing for liquidity, and risk analytic capabilities. Let's look at each of these aspects in detail. Coming to governance, a core aspect of liquidity management is the oversight of board over setting up the strategy and appetite for liquidity. In addition to assigning responsibilities on measurement, reporting, monitoring, and mitigation of risk, specific responsibilities must be assigned to monitor and preempt liquidity stress situations through establishment of contingency funding plans. Secondly, banks should adopt an integrated risk modeling and measurement approach that encompasses all sources of liquidity risk under both normal and stress situations while monitoring early warning indicators for any indications of stress. This can be implemented by setting up a robust liquidity feedback loop covering liquidity planning, liquidity assessment, stress testing, refinement of appetite and limits, contingency planning, and liquidity optimization. The ultimate aim is to arrive at a funding structure and liquid asset composition that minimizes cost and maximizes protection against the risk. Further, banks need to drive the funding structure away from short-term sources towards a more balanced structure across multiple maturities while diversifying the funding across sources, products, sectors to shield the bank from large runoffs or withdrawals during stress. In addition, to drive the necessary behavior of business managers towards prudential liquidity risk taking, it is essential to price the costs and benefits for usage and sources of liquidity respectively. This should be done in a manner that adequately incentivizes and drives desired behavior across business lines. Lastly, but most importantly, banks need to invest in enhancing the analytical infrastructure and resource skill sets to automate the generation of daily liquidity positions, accurately interpret the results, perform dynamic modeling to understand future risks and positions, and early warning indicators to preempt and plan for impending stress, thereby enabling effective management of the risk. In this area, Aptiva offers a comprehensive set of advisory and analytical solutions that have helped many of its clients in various geographies to implement effective liquidity risk management frameworks and robust tools to accurately measure and monitor liquidity risk metrics. Some of the risk metrics and analysis include daily liquidity computations, funding analytics, attribution of the changes in various metrics, behavioral modeling of various product categories, dynamic liquidity forecasting, fund transfer pricing, liquidity early warning indicators, and liquidity stress testing and what-if analysis.